Welcome to Solum 2.0 training video number 6. In this video, we're going to review the different parts of the shipping and staging module. We access that module by clicking the box icon on the home page. This opens up the complete shipping module that includes several different sections. Let's review the different sections of this shipping module. First of all, at the top is the toolbar with the different links within this module. The home page is the one that we started with here. The stage containers page allows us to open and create stage containers. The shipments page allows us to view shipments that are on the go and to finalize shipments. The lookup page allows us to look up previous shipments that have been created. And of course, the log off button will log off the system. And as in other screens, there's a button for the virtual on-screen keyboard and a button for the time and attendance module to punch in or punch out, and a close button to close the system. Here on the home page, we also have the stage containers list. And this lists all the stage containers that are currently available in our inventory. These are ones that have been previously created but have not yet been shipped. Then there's the current shipments section. Right now there's no shipments started that are listed here, but if there were, we would see each shipment here if they had not yet been shipped. Several shipments can be listed at one time, and when you select an individual shipment, it will list in the section below all of the stage containers that have already been added to that shipment. Jumping over to the stage containers screen, we see several sections here. There's a list of the different product types that can be on a stage container, as well as the tag number and the container type, the number of dozens, and the default number of dozens are for this container. On the right hand pane, there's a keypad for entering numbers needed in this screen if you're using a touch screen, as well as an area for any remarks that were made, and it fills in the user that was logged in at the time and the date that the stage container was created. The buttons along the bottom here allow you to create a new stage container, to close one, to cancel one that doesn't work, to view or look up a stage container, and then to print a label if you've got a label printer connected to the system that you want to attach to that stage container. On the shipment screen, we have an R-bill number section. We can select which agency the shipment is going to. It will list on the left-hand side here all the stage containers that are in inventory currently that are related to that agency. Then on the right-hand screen, it's all the containers that are already added to this shipment that's being built. At the bottom here, there's another series of buttons. We can create a new shipment, we can close the one that we're working on or cancel it. We can view or look up a previous shipment here. We also can ship it if it's ready to be shipped. We can reprint the shipping documents called the R-bill, or we can also go into what's called the warehouse mode, and we'll discuss that further in another video on the shipment screen. On the lookup screen, it allows us to look up all shipments between a certain number of dates, look up shipments based on the status, if it's in progress or already been shipped, or find them all. It will list here any shipments in our criteria in the current shipments list, as well as the details of the shipment that has been selected from the list above. From there, once you've selected a shipment, we can click the View button to view the details of that shipment. We can reprint the documents related to that shipment, or if necessary, we can unship it so that we can make any modifications needed if it was already shipped. So that's the overview of the shipping module. Next, we'll discuss how we can create a staged container.